So something that Greece is known for is sailing around the beautiful sea and to all the different islands. And last time I was here, I was a little upset that I didn't take advantage of that and didn't get to see the island from a different perspective. So this time in Santorini, we got the boat! We got the boat! One of the most fascinating things about Santorini is that about 3,000 years ago, there was one of the largest eruptions of a volcano ever. It destroyed the whole island, and a lot of the remains are still here today. All of this right behind me is from the lava. And we were just told that this water looks very turquoise and teal and green, and that's because there is sulfur in the water.